Hey traders, Mike here. Many traders out there, including my students, always ask me, well, what's the best swing trading strategy out there? And how can they consistently generate profits through these type of strategies? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you a few trading strategies that you can implement, how to trade them, and give you real life examples of these type of opportunities that you can take advantage of. So let's get started. There are so many swing trading strategies out there, but there's specifically one strategy that is well suited for swing trading stocks. Now that strategy is called trend trading. Now every day there are stocks that are trending in one direction, whether the stock is going up or down, and it generally continues in the same direction for a period of time. Now the biggest advantage of trend trading is the potential for large gains, because by riding a trend, traders can potentially capture significant price movements and profits. Now, there are three trends in the market. One is an uptrend, where the price is characterized by higher highs and higher lows. Now, in an uptrend, traders look to buy stocks and expect the price to continue going higher. Now, a simple plan in an uptrend is to buy once the stock makes a higher low. Another trend is a downtrend, when the price is characterized by lower highs and lower lows. Now, in a downtrend, traders look to sell or short sell stocks and expect the price to continue going lower. A simple plan in a downtrend is to sell or short once the stock makes a lower high. The third type of trend is a sideways trend, when the price moves within a horizontal range, neither making new highs or new lows. And the simple plan is to buy at the lows and then sell at the highs. Now, really the key is to try to identify and follow the current trend in the market. The earlier that you can identify a stock in an uptrend to buy, for example, then the more profits that you make. Now, there are two simple trending strategies, each with its own characteristics that you can profit from. Now, before I share these strategies with you, I want to let you know that I've been trading these trend trading strategies with Trade the Pool. They are an online stock trading prop firm that funds stock traders and offers more than 12,000 stocks, ETFs, and even penny stocks for you to trade. Now, you can choose to swing trade with $3,000 or trade up to a $24,000 account. Once you pass the evaluation phase, you get funded and get to keep up to 70% of the profits that you generate. As well, if you wish to day trade, Trade the Pool offers you buying power of up to $160,000. Click on the link in the description box below to sign up for a free 14-day trial account to see if you got what it takes to become a funded prop trader. Okay, back to the video. Now, the first type of trend trading strategy that I want to share with you is called a breakout trading. Now, it's a scenario where traders look for a stock that has been trading in a tight price range or going sideways for a while, and then the trader would enter a position once the price breaks out of a defined range, whether it's above the top of the range or below the bottom of the range. Now, let me show you some examples. On this chart here, you can see the stock Chipotle Mexican Grill, symbol CMG. Now, the stock was trading in a tight price range between $35 and $37 for the most of October 2023. Then on October 27th, the price broke out of its range at $37.50 and went much higher. Now, over the next 8 months, it went as high as $69 or 84% from the breakout price. Now, this is a perfect example of a stock basing for a while and then breaking out to the upside and continuing higher. Now, on this chart here, you can see the stock Nike, symbol NKE. The stock was trading in a tight price range between $123 and $128 for the most of April and May 2023. Then on May 11th, the price broke down of its range at $122 and went much lower. Now, over the next 5 months, it went as low as $89 or 27% from the breakdown price. And this is a perfect example of a stock basing for a while and then breaking down to the downside and continuing lower. Now, here are a few tips to look for when trading breakouts and breakdowns. Now, one is once you have bought a stock on the breakout, you should set a stop loss order below the bottom of the range. So if the price doesn't go up, then you would exit with a small loss. Now, another tip to consider is to look at the trading volume of the stock when it broke out to the upside or broke down to the downside. And if there's not a lot of trading volume behind the breakout or breakdown, meaning that there's not a lot of buyers or sellers pushing the price up or down. The second type of trend trading strategy that I want to share with you is called Trendline Bounce. Now, the basic premise of this strategy is to take advantage of the uptrend or downtrend momentum created by the stock with the expectation that the price will continue moving in the same direction. So in this scenario, if the stock price has been steadily rising, then traders would enter the position when the price bounces off a trend line, using it as a support or resistance levels. Now here's an example of a trend line bounce to the upside. Now on this chart of the company Lululemon, symbol LULU, you can see that the price has been steadily rising and is in an uptrend, making higher lows and higher highs. Now, whenever it comes back down to its trend line, it bounces off of it and then goes much higher. So for traders, you can buy at any point where there is a green arrow and the price would essentially bounce off this trend line and head higher. An example of a trend line bounce to the downside is Advanced Micro Devices, symbol AMD. Now you can see here that the price has been steadily declining and is in a downtrend, making lower highs and lower lows. Now you can see that whenever it comes back up to its trend line, it bounces off of it and then heads back down. So for traders, you can sell or short sell the stock at any point where there is a red arrow and the price would head lower. Now a few tips for you in terms of when trading the trend line bounces is, one is it's preferable that there is a reason why the stock is going up or down, perhaps some company news or company earnings or any particular strong catalyst, maybe economic data. So this way, the positive or negative news will continue to drive the price in the same direction. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to watch more videos and see what the tools that I use on a daily basis to analyze financial markets, make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you guys all in the next video.